A librarian in Indonesia's Java island is lending books to children in exchange for trash they collect in a novel way to clean up the environment and get the kids to read more. Each weekday, Raiden Roro Hendarti rides her three-wheeler with books stacked up at the back for children in Muntang village to exchange for plastic cups, bags and other waste that she carries back. She told Routers she is helping inculcate reading in the kids as well, making them aware of the environment. As soon as she shows up, little children, many accompanied by their mothers, surround her trash library and clamor for the books. She collects about 100 kgs of waste each week, which is then sorted out by her colleagues and then sent for recycling or sold. She has a stock of 6,000 books to lend and wants to take the mobile service to neighboring areas as well.